Well, today I tried making liver and onions for my dad. I washed it, I soaked it in milk, I cut up an onion, I fried that onion, I coated the liver in flour and salt and pepper and fried it. And I have no idea if this turned out well or not. He ate 2 bites and that was it. I don't want it. No, no, thank you. But he said he thought could eat it because it's something he used to eat all the time. So I tried. I don't know if I got it right or if he just, I don't know what the issue is. But that's what I made.